Daddy.
Come on.
You can grab or basically have a finger bump.
Oh, that's how this trip is starting off. We got. What are you doing? I think we're walking away from the bus stop. I can't even lie to you. Oh no, bus stop this way. This way. This way, the people. We're lost in the fucking car park. This is how it's fucking rolling, broski. Don't think you can see me because it's fucking dark as shit, but let's go.
You can take our shoes off.
Yeah.
Why?
Because there's a rule. Has to be done. Oh, Jim's getting it. How about it play with our Batty Crease fucking J2O? Diabolical.
So, we're off to Barcelona in approximately 2.5 hours.
James. Yeah. 4 hours. You want to do mathematics?
3 hours.
Used to fucking drink up.
I mean, plan it to this. They are the same. So basically,
J2O.
Jebane nachuj dał bajon.
Where we go? Where we go? You got somewhere we go?
What?
Where we go?
We are going to Barcelona.
And how many times do you fly?
This is my first flight today. Hopefully we don't go. So, kurwa.
Right, so Jim Bob's an absolute nitbag, and we've got to find the vaping room.
Huh?
Absolute
I need a
fucking
vape, otherwise I'm gonna kill myself.
Absolute nitbag. Couldn't buy any snuffs before he came away.
I don't
So now we gotta walk around. We gotta walk around now and get stared at.
Oh, no.
And
I'm not the only one. Chloe wants one.
surely fucking nitbags,
I
bruv.
I don't.
Honestly. Need to have my 11 and lime vape in my mouth before we go on a 2-hour flight.
It's actually sour
Not a long
apple.
flight. Ooh, sour apple.
Yeah, fam.
Fucking, I personally, that's scared.
Do you know
as fuck.
what? Do you know what I think of that?
No. 8, 9.
What?
Don't be sad. You could be.
This is called.
Mr. Brave. James has realised there's no vaping room here. He's fucking tweaking already. It's been 10 minutes. So, he's fucking
I need
tweaking.
my techno.
He lasted about 10 minutes of shopping and he had the fucking. Let's see your bad fucking habit, mate. Oh, he had the fucking. He had the fucking. Of course he had to. Oh, and it goes. Are you top? Are you left or right? You're going two in. What? Bro's fucking tweaking. So why don't we get 2 dot then? Bro's tweaking. I think the sleep deprivation starting to hit all of us, except from James, who is literally just banging out the techno. Chloe's had enough though.
Yoshiko all the way. Yoshiko.
I've not had enough. I don't like it 'cause it's busy.
Chloe's tism is really tizzing him right now.
It's kind of annoying me.
Tism's fucking tisming. And his
My eyes are
tism, his
watering.
tism to the fucking max, so. Oh no. Somehow James got his fat ass lost. Fucking poor mate over there has been fucking robbed. Literally, he's getting done like BAM! He's getting fucking done in and James has got his fucking wham ass backpack in. Oh.
Captain Clap. Why do you have it saved as that?
let him
You're
on.
horrible.
They let him on.
She got me saved as Captain Clap-Eye.
We made it on.
Where you got chlamydia in
We
your
made
eye?
it on. I don't know how they let you
Your
on.
girlfriend has me saved as Captain Clap-Eye.
Because you're clapping your eye.
Yeah? Your trumpet trousers, mate.
We made it, buddy!
We made it. This is a room tour.
After a very small stint in customs, and these two managed to get through, and I didn't. Well, I managed to get through in the end. James's room is ready, and mine and Chloe's is not until
It's actually
3.
a really nice room.
It's
For one person, it's...
yeah, for
I've
one.
just seen a booby. Ah!
Where?
Oh no!
There's some old woman down there. By that house with the blue bit.
Oh, of course, James is fucking peeping out the window. But yeah, mine and Chloe's room isn't ready till 3 o'clock. For some reason his was ready, so he gets to get changed and showered and stuff. But we're not gonna do that. We're gonna go and get scrammed. We're fucking hungry, and they're still looking at your granny's sacky tit.
Kurwa, bajejajo, bajejajo. Ja pierdolę.
Oh, so after about 30 minutes on the metro, funny when we
Well, how would you say it in Spanish?
Chicken bite.
We've done the most British thing, gone to a foreign country and bought some McDonald's. We are so clapped in the head, it's not even funny. Thanks to Chloe and James, give me a fucking 150-foot yacht. Joking.
Yeah, $1.
I mean, yeah, their yachts are cool and stuff, but mine GTA 5 has a helipad, so...
Yeah, but do you have the cassette?
Oh my god, that's basically a mini fucking cruise ship.
Yeah, but they may be just British, but do they have a Kasaka in GTA?
That is very true. Yeah, that's basically a mini cruise. What's the fish eyes fucking up? That's fucking massive.
Mate, that's bigger than HMS Queen Elizabeth.
That's big. I think that's clap. That's nuts.
It's fucking mad.
No. Like, that one, yeah, is a decent sized yacht, and that's just fucked.
Mate, I'd take that little.
So James forgot a swim shorts, and we forgot a beach towel.
James.
So we got a beach towel. And James is going to get his fucking swim shorts. So we finally got our room, and now we're going for a swim. Even though I think it's going to be freezing. It's going to be very cold, but it's okay. Just have to deal with it. But yeah, we've got our fucking room now. 15 quid in taxes, by the way. Get fucked. Two guys in the Turkish bath. They might kiss, they might not. They're definitely not. Oh, this is gonna undo. Oh my god, it's so fucking up. It's so hot in here.
Harrison, look at me.
Kurwa. Jim Bob struggling, getting people for food. Big struggling.
It's weird.
It's not used to it. He'll get used to it though. Poor little boy. Right.
The scran was a solid 8.5, but I want to see what tomorrow's scran is. I may rate it higher, but if it's what I think we might have tomorrow, it's probably going to be an 8.5.
In my child.
So acoustic. Also, she's on my chart by the way as well.
No. I did all that.
Excuse me, I've been 2 minutes of work in. That concludes the first night we decided to come back and just drink with boy and duty free because we're tired AF. So we got a bunch of mixers, 2 bottles of vodka, and then we're gonna get up, aquarium tomorrow, stuff tomorrow, and then yeah.